Hello everyone, craving that bakery style bite? So, today on Coffee Crumb, we are making Hyderabad's famous Osmania biscuit. Soft, buttery, and straight from the oven. And when dipped in milk, they taste absolutely perfect. So, let's get started. In a bowl, we will cream together butter, powdered sugar, and milk until it changes its color. You can also use ghee in place of butter for this recipe. Then add on all-purpose flour, cardamom powder for that nostalgic flavor, baking powder, and make a soft dough and rest it for 10 to 15 minutes. Now roll the dough out evenly, not too thick, not too thin. You can also use cookie cutter for shaping the biscuit, or if you don't have it, then use a small glass or katori for that perfect shape. Now place them on a baking tray lined with parchment paper. Usmania biscuit have a perfect crumbly texture. So for making that we will use a slurry of milk and custard powder, and make sure that your every biscuit is covered completely with it, and then we will bake it at 170 degree for 15 to 20 minutes or until the edges are golden brown. And that's it. Your homemade Usmania biscuit are ready. Crispy on outside, soft inside, and filled with nostalgic Hyderabadi flavor. Perfect with your evening chai or to gift someone special. Try it once and you will never go back to buy it again. Don't forget to like, share, and follow for more satisfying recipes.